made Maa Saraswati with my own hand. No, this is not a tutorial video, because if you are a middle class student or parents or someone who once touched Maa Saraswati's feet before an exam, this idol will remind you of your journey. Stay till the end, because this story is not about art, it's about belief.
I don't grow up surrounded by artists. I grow up in a regular middle class Indian home.
যেখানে প্রত্যেক টাকা পয়সার হিসেব রাখা হয়, ইলেকট্রিসিটি বিল, স্কুলের ফিস, বাজার, ড্রিমগুলো সবসময় সফটলি থাকে, বিকজ রিয়েলিটি স্পিক্স লাউডার। ইন মিডল ক্লাস হাউসেস, প্যারেন্টস ডোন্ট আস্ক হোয়াট ডু ইউ লাভ, দে আস্ক হোয়াট ইজ সেফ। বুকস আর অলওয়েজ রেসপেক্টেড। Art was something you do after homework, if there is time, and if there is no time, I'd wait. But every year there was one day when everything slowed down. Saraswati Puja. White dress, alpona, fresh khata, pen, boi. স্কুলে গিয়ে লাইনে দাঁড়িয়ে থাকতাম, সবাই চুপচাপ, কেউ বেশি কথা বলতাম না, because somehow we felt it. This was not just a puja, এটা ছিল hope. এক্সামের ভয় থাকলেও মা সরস্বতীর সামনে মাথা ঠেকিয়ে আমরা একটা শান্তি পেতাম। তখন বুঝিনি, but now I know. Maa Saraswati does not promise success. She promised strength to try. As we grow up, something strange happens. We don't stop dreaming. We just stop saying it out loud. Middle class people are expert at adjusting. Adjust with salary, adjust with space, adjust with time, and slowly we adjust our dream too. Art becomes something I love silently, because loving it loudly felt risk. লোকে কি বলবে, ফিউচার আছে, ইনকাম আছে, but deep inside every Saraswati Puja something woke up again, like a reminder. You are more than survival. This year something changed. I stood in front of an idol shop, beautiful idols, perfect finishing, professional work, and suddenly I felt disconnected. Not because they were not good, but because this time my heart said something different. এইবার মা সরস্বতীকে বাজার থেকে আনা যাবে না। এইবার I need to make her myself. Not to proving anything, not for views, but for closer. When I touched the clay, my hands were shaking, because this was not just an art. This is responsibility. প্রত্যেকটা কার্ভের সময় আমার মনে একটাই কোশ্চেন ঘুরতো, am I worth to do this? Because Maa Saraswati is not just a goddess, she represents knowledge, and middle class people respect knowledge deeply. এই ভয়টার সাথে সাথে গ্র্যাটিটিউড জার্নি ছিল। Every moment felt personal. This idol is not perfect, and that's exactly why it matters, because middle class lives are not perfect either. They are honest. This idol carries my fear, my hope, my childhood, my faith. It carries every student who touched a book before an exam. When the idol was complete, I did not feel like an artist. I felt like a student again, standing quietly asking for strength. So yes, I made Maa Saraswati with my own hands as a middle class Indian, but in reality she made me reminder who I always was. If this story felt like yours, then maybe Maa Saraswati is already with you. And if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, The Crafty Paradise.